Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and happy Halloween! Now, I do not have a DIY for you today because I figured it wouldn't be right not doing a Halloween DIY, and because it is Halloween, you won't be doing the DIY anyway because Halloween's already here. Do you know what I mean? So I figured I would just do a roundup of all the Halloween squishies that I've been making this Halloween, and I would just show them to you in like a collection style video. I'm not really doing anything for Halloween. I know a lot of you guys have actually asked me what I'm going to be doing. I'm not going to be doing anything. I'm just going to be, you know, handing out some sweets to some trick-or-treaters because that's all I ever do now is just hang out in my house. I do, however, have this on, which is just a Stitch onesie. I know that there's a proper word for these. Is it like kigurumi? I don't know. Don't test me on it, I don't actually know. But I actually have had this for the longest of times. If you don't know, Stitch is my favourite Disney character ever. I have t-shirts, I have pyjamas, I have slippers, I have socks, I have this onesie. Look, I've even got a Stitch t-shirt on. I have all the plushes. I just love Stitch so much. I have the Tsum Tsums. Oh my god, the Tsum Tsums are so cute. Anyway, totally off track again. But this is what I'm wearing and I thought I would put it on for you because, you know, it's Halloween and just look at this. Isn't this the cutest thing ever? I just love it. Maybe I should keep my hood up for the rest of this video, or is that just a bit distracting? I feel like that might be distracting, but I'm going to keep it up anyway because it's Halloween, like I said. So the first one that I'm going to get stuck straight on into is the first deco that I did of October, and it was the pumpkin costume Pop Pop sheep. It just came out looking like this and I think it just looks so cute. I absolutely love the button detail that I did on the back because I did want it to make it look like it was kind of as a costume. It still squishes really, really nicely and I'm really happy that I did this one because I think it's so cute. Okay, now this hood does look ridiculous. I'm going to take it down. You can have my messy hair instead. The next one I think I did was just this pumpkin squishy. It kind of looks like a little onion now that I'm looking at it, but I thought it was really cute and I still do. It still squishes really, really nicely. As you can see, it's nice and slow rising. It's so slow rising, it doesn't even look like it is rising. But it is. It's just that slow. Go on. Is it even focusing? I have no idea. But like, it is rising, it's just taking its jolly old time. So this was the second one that I made. Now I think the next one that I did was this redeco of the Yummy Bear Bat Vampire squishy. Don't really know what you would call this, but this is how this one turned out. I think it is so cute. I know that Creamy Candy reposted it on their Instagram and someone else did, Pastel Tulips did as well, which I was really excited about. It does still squish just as the original squishy did, and yeah, it's just got a cute little Halloween costume on yet again. So I'm looking at this now wondering which one I did next and I have no idea. So I'm just going to show you the Yummy Bear that I did with the little toffee apple on its head. That also looks like a little jellyfish. Look at that. Doesn't that look like a jellyfish? I don't care that I don't look like a toffee apple because I think this is so cute. It's even cuter as a jellyfish. I should have just done an under the sea version. I'm going to do that. Mark my words, in November you're going to have an under the sea version with a jellyfish on the head because that is so cute. Anyway, I did this one like a mummy bandage type effect. I know some people didn't like it. I didn't like the finished product myself. Like I said, I wanted to do this actually as a ghost, but I did the face all wrong, and by the time I did so many layers on it, it just wasn't going to look right. So yeah, I kind of done that. Wasn't my best redeco in the world, not gonna lie. The next one I think I did was the Kibru pumpkin redeco with holly. I really loved how this one turned out because by the time I actually did this redeco, I was so sick of the colours like orange, purple and green that I just had to go back to my favourite colours, which obviously include pink, purple and blue. Because just look at this, it's so cute. The face is a little bit derpy. I know some people did comment that. I know people hated it, and that's fine. Everyone has different opinions, but yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out. I really love these little sweets actually in it. I think they will just look so happy in there. But this one here just squishes nicely also, and again is still just as slow rising as it was originally. Now the next one I have to show you is this little mochi inspired pumpkin. I made this one with a soft plastic, like liquid plastic, that I got from the fishing store, because you can make craft stuff from any store you go to apparently. But here is the little pumpkin. If I just block out my face, it might actually focus real nice and quick. But here it is. It does squish really, really nicely. Ooh, I know yesterday also I made the gummy bears. Let me just show you those. They're still on my desk. I made these gummy bears out of like the same sort of material, and they're all super squishy in there. I cannot get enough of these. They're just so cool. Let me give you a real close up. I can't see if it's focusing or not, because if I look around then it will just focus back on my face, but there they are. It does come with a warning on the back saying do not eat, because these do look edible. Okay, so the last two to show you was the brain squishy. Really love this. I feel like if you made a squishy zombie, you could put this on its head. That's probably a really stupid idea, I know. Now that I've said it out loud, it sounds really stupid, but in my mind it sounded really great. I need a new brain. I need this brain in my head so I can make more sense. But look at this. The face on it, I love it. I did actually get this idea from a book that The Work sent me. Thank you so much to The Works for sending me that book. Loved it. I will do a few more of those upcoming in November, because there are some really great ideas in there that you guys just need to know. And if you're thinking about getting the book, then I would recommend it tenfold. It only costs £4 in The Works, which is just amazing. So yeah, I really recommend it. This is obviously, yeah, I always get so sidetracked. This is the brain squishy, like I said. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Like, all these 3D kind of squiggles all over it is just such a great idea. And of course I had to put a little face on it. It's not that slow rising at all. I said this in the original video, because I wanted to follow the tutorial quite correctly. I only did one layer of the purple paint. I would have preferred to do about 5. That's what I usually do. That would have made it way more slow rising, because it would have trapped the air inside. But yeah, I think it looks really cute, and I'm really happy that I made it anyway. So the last one I have to show you is this little Rejaco, which was a collaboration between me, Hollycopter, and JoJo's Crafty Love. I absolutely loved doing this Rejaco. The only downfall was the amount of hate that I ended up getting for it, but you cannot please everybody. I'm really happy with how this turned out. Again, I probably wouldn't have put the face on. I just wanted to put a face on at the end because I wanted to, so I did. Like, to be honest, it makes more sense without the face, which a lot of people commented, and I completely see where you are coming from. But yeah, I'm really happy with it. Some people just were like, what is that? You made it so ugly. Why do you keep ruining it? Your redecos are getting worse and worse. You make everything ugly. But this is what it was supposed to be. Let me explain. It was supposed to be a cauldron on top of like a fire. So like, here's the logs with the fire. So the black bit's the cauldron, with all like the cauldrony witchy brew as the green all bubbling out, which replaced the flowers. And then like the witch's legs and a hat, because she's gone into the cauldron. In my mind, that made a lot of sense. In other people's mind, I don't think it translated as well, which isn't always the best, but I mean, you can see these are witches' legs, right? I don't know. I thought in my mind it would turn out really good, but it's just kind of turned out a bit naff. And it's not my favourite thing in the world. But it's okay, because I still got to collaborate with 2 of my fave people, and that's what it's all about. I had loads of fun, so who cares? Anyway, so yeah, that's the end of all my Halloweeny collection videos. I'm really sad about having to take my decorations down and to change over my calendar. Don't you worry, guys. I will remember to change it. I usually always forget, but I will remember. I might actually put it in my background for November, because I think it will look really cute, and I miss it in my background actually. Now that I've moved all my room around, I feel like I miss my pushing calendar in the background, even though I used to forget to change it all the time. But yeah, I'm going completely off track again. Anyway, so tomorrow is the start of a new month. It means a new background. It means new nails. It means a new kind of season. I'm not going to start my Christmas videos just yet. I'm thinking about starting them on like maybe the 25th of this month, so that I do a full month of Christmas from the 25th to the 25th, as I don't think you'll want Christmas videos after the 25th. You might do, but I don't think I'm going to do that, so I think I'm going to do my Christmas month from the 25th to the 25th. So yeah, you've got 3 weeks before then, which means loads of kawaii videos, loads of cute themed DIYs. I want to do some squishy decos. I want to do some DIY squishies. I want to do all different types of things. So if you have any other weird ideas that you want me to try, just, you know, comment it down below, because I'm always open to kind of suggestions. If you have like any thing that you want me to make in particular, like plushies, charms, squishies, anything that I do already, also leave them down in the description down below, because like I said, always open to suggestions and I do always read my comments. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this quick impromptu video. Hopefully you did. Happy Halloween, and I will see you tomorrow for the 1st of November. Bye! Bye-bye. Also, I didn't say, please do give this video a thumbs up if you like it, if you're excited for the next season, because I really am. And look how fluttery these eyelashes are. They are so big, I could take off like a bird. Okay, I really am gonna go now. Bye!